Hello everyone! Sa hindi nakakakilala, this is Lovella de los Santos. I am a nurse practitioner here in California. And today, I'm so excited to talk to you about a remarkable therapy that has been gaining popularity for its incredible health and cosmetic benefits. Sikat na sikat ito sa Pilipinas. Ito yung IV glutathione drip. So now, you might be wondering what makes glutathione so special. Well, let me share you some insights. First and foremost, glutathione is a powerful antioxidant. Anong ibig sabihin nito? It works tirelessly to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which can damage our cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. Imagine having a natural defense that helps keep your cells healthy and vibrant. But that's not all. Glutathione plays a crucial role in detoxifying our liver. Yan ang isa sa pinaka function din ng glutathione. Bakit? Because it binds to toxins and facilitates their elimination from the body, helping us feel refreshed and rejuvenated. And for those of you na interested in cosmetic benefits, you will be pleased to know that glutathione is actually known for its skin brightening effects. So yung mga mahilig magpaputi, yan ang ginagawa. It can inhibit melanin production, leading to a brighter and more even skin tone. Who wouldn't want a radiant complexion? So, according sa ating mga source, mga artista nagpapaglutathione. Moreover, glutathione supports our immune system by enhancing the functions of white blood cells, giving our body the boost it needs to fight off infections. It's like having an extra layer of protection. Kasi, as we age, we all look for ways to maintain our youthful glow, di ba? So, by reducing oxidative stress and promoting cellular health, yung glutathione, it may help slow down the aging process and improve skin elasticity. And huwag natin kalimutan, or let's not forget about energy levels. Ang glutathione, it can actually enhance mitochondrial function, leading to increased energy production and reduce fatigue. So imagine niyo yung feeling na lagi kang energetic and ready to tackle the day. So for those dealing with inflammation naman, yung glutathione, it's also an anti-inflammatory. So glutathione's anti-inflammatory properties can actually help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions like yung mga may arthritis. It also supports neurological health by protecting neurons from oxidative damage and improving cognitive function. Sabi dito, a healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. So yung mga athletes, take note of this. Some use glutathione to enhance performance and recovery by reducing muscle fatigue and damage. So, it's like having a secret weapon in your fitness arsenal. Now, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga may chronic conditions. Ang glutathione, it may provide supportive benefits for individuals with chronic conditions such as yung may mga Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and yung may mga autoimmune disorders. But why is that? Well, these conditions are often associated with increased oxidative stress and inflammation, which can exacerbate symptoms and disease progression. So, yung glutathione's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, it can actually help mitigate these effects, potentially slowing disease progression and improving quality of life. By supporting cellular health and reducing oxidative damage, yung glutathione, it actually offers a promising complementary approach to managing these challenging conditions. Now, I know you might be eager to try this amazing therapy. And syempre, thrilled ako to introduce to you our IV glutathione drip, administered by our skilled nurse practitioner din na si Hazel Ledesma. Rest assured, all our glutathione medications are manufactured right here in the US. Sobrang potent nito, tsaka yung quality niya. You can be confident in experiencing real positive effects. So if you're ready to boost your health and enhance your well-being, consider trying our glutathione drip. Feel free to reach out to us and for more information or to schedule your session. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to helping you achieve your health goals. Thank you.